Do-do-do-do. Well, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hi, guys, how are you doing? Do you ever get kind of nervous before you go on stage or before you have an audition or maybe even before a self tape? How about trying to figure out how you can solve Hello, guys. Hi, this is Nick here. I'm Nick Dunning, the creator of Total Audition Magician and the author of How to Get Acting Work Quickly. And for those of you who don't know me, I help actors like you become an in demand actor with a high profile acting career. And what I want to talk to you a little bit about today is about how you can create confidence before you go on stage, confidence before you go into a room, whether you're going in for a meeting, maybe how many of you there like networking? Let me know in the comments below. Do you like networking? Is that something you want to do? Do you often feel a little bit intimidated by it? If you do, you're not alone. And I've got this wonderful solution which will help you to feel really confident and powerful in everything you do. And what happens is we tend to kind of like, our brains get in the way. They start telling us all kinds of things that make us feel like we can't do things. And of course, that's all lies. It's all untrue. None of that is true. So what I want to suggest to you today is a new thing called beat spots. Beat spots, B-E-A-T. It's a new way of actually processing, learning how to become incredibly confident, very powerful before you go in for an audition, before you go in for absolutely anything, whatever it is that you're doing. How are you doing, guys? Who's out there? Nice to see you. Hi, hi, hi. So that's what I want to sort of suggest to you, really. Hey, Brian, how's you? How are you doing? Good man. You love networking. Very glad to hear that. Good man. So Beat Spots is going to be a way that you can learn to do this. Most people who are kind of like automatically, confident, naturally confident, this is what they do. And so what this is an NLP process that you can actively learn to just become more confident. It takes you about 3 minutes. If you'd like it, I'll send you the copy. What you want to do now is you jump onto my website over here at nickdunning.com, and there's a booklet that you can download. I know you've got a copy, right, Brian? And you can download that, and inside there you just send me an email, drop me an email, and I will send you the video that will show you how to create beat spots for you. And the other thing I wanted to do was just to say as well that the Action Club is still going. I don't know if any of you guys out there are members, but it's becoming so powerful. You want to check this out on my site. What we've got now is I'm including now at no extra cost. There's just a very low monthly investment for membership. And what we're going to be doing now is from starting now and from beginning into next year, I'm going to be bringing many, many more people, contacts that I have and contacts that you want onto the site. So if there's anyone that you think specifically you'd like to have me interview and to learn something from, let me know. First up, we've got Catherine Beck. Catherine Beck is the American accent coach. She will teach you, and this is all included as a member of the Action Club. She'll show you how you get, an American accent. We've also got Katie Sheridan with a wonderful chat with Katie about how to write, edit, and produce and star in your own web series. And this, as you know, is like becoming a massive. She's now got 5 million views. This is what is happening. This stuff is just exploding. And you want to learn how to do this? This is easy. The other thing. Yesterday, I had a wonderful interview yesterday with a wonderful Jane McGrath, who you may know from Game of Thrones or from Red Rock. She's also been in The Moonstone, and is a really fascinating, incredible chat about Disneyland and Disney. That's really interesting. And dyslexia. Jane is a dyslexic. She's a member of the Dyslexia Association, and she's an ambassador for the Dyslexic Association of Ireland. So that was a really fascinating thing. Now, a lot of you guys out there have been asking me about this, to cover it. So that's something there. And we've also got the wonderful Ali Coffey, the casting director, is coming along soon as well. So if there's anyone else that you guys want to, anyone you want me to contact, to get in touch with, let me know. And in the meantime, pop on over to the site, grab hold of a copy of 17 Tiny Tweaks to Create Big Results for Actors. Take care, guys. See you soon. Bye now. Have a good weekend. Bye.